Show me the money. You remember that line from Jerry Maguire, right? Here's what most property managers don't realize. One of the most overlooked ways to grow your property management business is making your owners feel confident enough to say that line and actually mean it. Today, I'm going to explain what that really means and how clean owner statements, clear communication, and the right software can literally help you grow your portfolio. Hi, I'm Peter Fider, CPA and owner of Meeple Accounting, where we help property managers fix their bookkeeping, clean up their trust accounts, and produce owner statements that rental owners actually understand. And today, we're talking about this. If your owners don't clearly see the money, they won't trust you with more properties. When owners say, show me the money, they're not just asking, did the rent come in? What was my distribution? They're actually asking, why was my maintenance higher this month? Why was there a reserve holdback? Why didn't late fees get charged? Why are vacancies hurting my cash flow? If your owner statements are confusing, if numbers don't tie out, if security deposits are unclear, if distributions don't match expectations, that erodes trust. And in property management, trust equals growth. Most property managers think growth comes from marketing, and guess what? It does, but growth actually comes from owner retention, owner referrals, adding more doors, and that only happens when owners feel confident. Your owner statement should, one, clearly separate operating funds and security deposits. Two, show detailed maintenance breakdown. You gotta show that. Three, explain management fees transparently. Four, provide clean income versus expense reporting. Five, make distributions easy to understand. If an owner has to email you every month to ask what happened, that's friction, and friction kills growth. See, this is where the right software as well matters. A platform like Buildium allows you to maintain proper trust accounting, generate structured owner statements, track reserves, separate property level income statements, automate reporting. Honestly, it does a lot of things for you. But here's the truth. Software alone doesn't fix it. It has to be set up correctly. Your chart of accounts has to be clean. Your trust accounts must reconcile. Your reporting structure must make sense. Otherwise, it's just a prettier mess, if that makes any sense. You know what I mean? Here's what happens. When you truly show them the money, right? Owners stop questioning every line item. They trust your financial process. They feel confident referring you. They buy more investment properties. They give you more doors. Clear financial reporting becomes a growth engine. And the property managers who understand this, they just scale faster. That's the truth. Because their financial backend supports expansion. If you want to grow your property management business, don't just market harder. Make sure your owners can look at their statement and confidently say, now I see it. Now I trust it. That's how you really scale. That's how you retain, and that's how you build a property management company that owners want to stay with. This is Peter Fider. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.